The Illinois Railway Museum in Union, Illinois, they have trains, signs, tables, benches, boxes, benches, trains, tables, signs, golf carts, train tracks, rocks, lion rocks, Union Pacific, walkways, tanker cars, baggage cars, commuter cars, benches, post office cars, mail, fax, plastic food, mannequins, signs, benches, trains, trash cans, trains, baby trains, signs, barns, Union Pacific, used bookstore that was closed, Cadillac Eldorado, trash cans, trains, safes, trains, I think I can, many different signals to warn of trains!